Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells or column that need a new currency symbol. Once selected, make sure the spreadsheet locale matches the currency region. This affects default symbols. Next, open the Format menu, choose Number, then hover over Currency to see preset symbols. If you need a symbol not listed, don't stop, use more formats. This first set of steps ensures Google Sheets applies the correct decimal separators and symbol placement when we change the format. Once done with locale and selection, choose More Formats, then Custom Currency to type or pick a symbol. This is where you change the visible sign. Make sure to set decimal places and negative formatting so numbers look consistent. If you need a one-off display, use the text function, text, A1, $###0, 00, but remember that converts numbers to text, which stops numeric calculations. For dynamic formatting, keep values numeric and rely on custom currency settings instead. To finish, apply the custom currency and immediately check totals and formulas to confirm cells remain numeric. If the desired symbol doesn't appear, change the spreadsheet locale to a matching region or enter a custom currency symbol and adjust spacing or placement. If you converted values with text and need to recalc, convert back using value or re-enter numbers. This fixes calculation errors. And if formatting seems inconsistent, select the range and reapply the custom currency to force uniform display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.